AMN Healthcare is the largest healthcare staffing company in the United States. We place nurses, physicians, allied professionals, primarily at acute care hospitals, but also at clinics and physician practices. We also have many workforce solutions to help hospitals manage their internal labor, the recruitment, credentialing, and retention process more efficiently. We are, at the heart, a people business. We help people to achieve their personal and professional goals, our healthcare professionals, our healthcare facilities, and probably most importantly to us, our own team members. And so having a talented, highly engaged corporate team is very critical for our success. In fact, it is the #1 factor, we believe, in our success and the reason that we lead the industry. So having a way that we can manage that team and really have a good view of the talent we have across the organization is very critical. Workday has been a huge upgrade for us. We have grown organically over the last 25 years, but we also have made 8 very important strategic acquisitions. And as we've made those acquisitions, we've brought those team members into the AMN family, but haven't necessarily been able to incorporate them into our systems. So before we implemented Workday, we were living on about 10 different HR-related systems. So being able to just have one place that our managers can go to really get a view of their team and to manage the more transactional side of things that we need to do with our team members has been very helpful, and it certainly creates a lot more efficiency. I know even for myself, with my direct reports, it's so much easier to be able to go into one place, have an instant dashboard of my team members, compensation issues, tasks I might need to be aware of, and important things like their anniversary coming up has been very, very helpful. So as we look forward, it certainly has been a huge upgrade for us today, but as we continue to grow both organically and by acquisition and bringing on other team members into the AMN family, it will make it so much easier for us to be able to integrate those teams more effectively and efficiently. From the manager's perspective, Workday is a dream. It's very efficient for them to be able to go to one place where they used to have to go to 10 to be able to manage and get a good view of their team members and talent, tasks that they need to deal with, changes, as well as other things that just give them a view of the talent that they have. From an employee standpoint, it really helps us to improve engagement because it really invites the employees in to share information with us and gives them some accountability and responsibility for really managing their information with the company. So in that way, I think it serves multiple purposes. Workday has helped us to be more agile. And that's very important in any business, I suppose, but in healthcare in particular. The healthcare world is changing on a day-by-day basis, both through technology, government changes, the way service is provided. If healthcare reform comes along, you're going to see some pretty significant changes in the delivery of healthcare. We have to change along with that. So we have to be agile in our workforce management as well. And Workday provides us with a great tool to do that. The Workday team has been a terrific partner for us all around. I know that both our HR team, our IT team, and even managers and leaders who participated in the implementation project have really been impressed and thrilled with the level of engagement and focus to our needs and how we could use the system that I think is very adaptable to many businesses, but really use it to fit into our culture and the specific things that we were trying to achieve. I've also had the pleasure of meeting Dave Duffield, and I was very impressed with how engaged he was and how interested he personally was in how we were going to be using Workday, what improvements we thought that we could see in the product, and how we thought it would help drive our business success in the future. And it's great to see that level of engagement, both from the team that's implementing and working with our team, but also from the top.